Welcome back to MegaVerse Builds. We're here at Spotify Camp Nou with excellent weather conditions, allowing crews to work efficiently across the stadium. 2 uninterrupted weeks of construction lie ahead, creating ideal conditions for major progress and accelerated development in multiple sections. Activity is visible across key structural zones, with teams advancing facade preparation, staircase frameworks, and interior works. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. It's completely free and helps us grow and continue bringing you consistent, detailed updates. Let's dive into today's progress around the stadium. Starting at the Tribuna section, workers are positioning structural components near staircase areas. Crews on scaffolding continue elevator shaft work. Structural beams appear fully installed, preparing for sandwich panel placement. Elevated platforms operate across interior and cantilevered zones. The terrace decking removed 2 weeks ago remains cleared. The diamond cafeteria structure shows little change. Corner glass panels remain missing, 1 per side, plus 3 above the entrance doors. Some support brackets remain uninstalled, and exposed rebar on the left wall awaits concrete. At the second diamond structure, the future official store, staged glass panels are being loaded onto a truck for relocation. Missing panels remain unchanged, 3 above each entrance door and the corner sections. Workers are installing rock wool insulation above entrance openings. 3 doorways now have insulation in place, with trim covers completed on the left section. Glass panels above are already positioned. Moving to the south goal area, elevated platforms are active on staircase structures. Most elevator shaft beams appear installed, with some upper elements still pending. Slat support brackets are in place, but anchors have not yet been installed. The previously white beams have now been painted black, creating a noticeable transformation. One worker is tightening anchors, suggesting slat installation may begin soon. The corner section shows active slat installation, with an orange crane positioning a red slat. Multiple crews and platforms are coordinating placement, while additional slats are staged nearby. The lower false ceiling area now has all slats installed, with workers aligning newly placed elements. In the lateral section, a concrete pump is pouring in upper zones. Staircase structures show concrete panels installed in lower elevator areas, while sandwich panels advance in interior sections. The 4th compression ring pillar and radial beam remain staged for lifting. A truck delivering additional slats has arrived, supporting ongoing facade work. At the north goal corner, workers are installing trim covers over insulated sections and applying coating to beams. Support frameworks are complete, awaiting anchor installation. Elevated platforms remain active, with crews tightening bolt connections. In the central north goal area, interior platforms show steady elevator shaft progress. Workers are installing protective netting, positioning diagonal bracing, and chipping concrete between beams and slabs. Welding of slat support connections continues near structural pillars, while a block wall gap is being completed. Chrome tube installation remains staged for further extension. That's today's update from Camp Nou. Strong progress across insulation, slat installation, structural finishing, and material deliveries. The pace of work continues to build as multiple sections advance simultaneously, bringing the stadium closer to its next major phase. Thank you for watching MegaVerse Builds. Subscribe for daily updates and hit that like button to support the channel. See you tomorrow with another detailed construction progress report from Spotify Camp Nou.